Hi, my name is Megan Suri.
My name's Daniel Allen.
Hi, my name is Joan Sama.
I'm Anna Demponi.
I'm Elizabeth Davis.
I'm Michael Kern.
I love LA.
This is where the industry is.
All the studios are here. The New York Film Academy having access to Universal Backlot is a big advantage.
Quite unbelievable that I'm shooting here. And then we also have the weekend trips, Six Flags, Hollywood, Universal, which are awesome.
Getting to see the Hollywood sign, obviously.
There's just so many opportunities available in Los Angeles.
So I think it will be a good opportunity for me to learn about the film industry.
As a summer camp, it's really great, whether it be for acting, filmmaking, or screenwriting. We all came here for the same reason, to tell a story.
The New York Film Academy is incredibly hands-on. We got our hands-on equipment day one.
And it's really cool to have teachers that have actually been in this business before. It's more real because they know what they're talking about.
We have classes like acting for lens and acting for TV.
The directing class and cinematography class kind of go hand in hand. They help me appreciate lighting and shot choices. We're using actual 16mm film cameras. We have to block our shots, talk to our actors, and know what we're doing.
I remember second week we were laying dolly track. All the students would experience the different roles besides the director.
It's a lot to learn, to be honest.
It's a very intense program, but in a very good way.
All the time I call my mom and I'm like, Mom, it's perfect. I love it.
I have made some of my best friends here from around the world.
From France, Russia, China,
Mexico, people from Canada.
Australia,
Germany.
Afghanistan.
Big community, big family.
I've never been to America before, so this was my first time. Because everyone's really friendly. It's comforting because you're a long way from home.
My experience has been out of this world, I'm not gonna lie.
I would say I was intrigued by film before NYFA. I fell in love with film at NYFA. When you go to further your studies and you have these experiences, it's gonna put you that much ahead of everyone else.
I mean, I definitely do it again, and it's one of the best times of my life.
I'll miss this definitely the time this one soon.
When you're here, you do feel like a star. You really do.